Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumulini Nalawade, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. Sorry. So we are discussing about the solution of equation, right? So इक्वेशन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन किसे कहते हैं? एक सर्टन वैल्यू होती है जो अगर हम इक्वेशन में जो वेरिएबल है उसके इंस्टेड ऑफ रखेंगे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड सेम आ जाएगी। जैसे हमने अभी डिस्कस किया ना उस इक्वेशन में x माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 11, तो उसमें हमने x की जगह 14 रखा, तभी दोनों साइड पे 11 11 आ गया। दैट मीन्स सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन then and then. So x is equal to 14 is the solution of equation. Get it? Okay. So let's start the next. Fine. So now there are some methods here. So first of all we discuss about the trial and error method. So what is the trial and error method? So in this method we have to put the value of variable one by one. Okay, so it is unstable, we don't know the value of x variable. Okay, so there we have to put the various values and we find a value which satisfy the equation, then we get the solution of equation, and this method is called trial and error method. Get it? It is not practical because it is so lengthy and it is not accurate method. Okay, so but it is the method. So just before we have studied so many examples here. Get it? Okay. Now here also we can see 3n is equal to 20. Okay, so if we put here n is equal to 7, so we get the values here. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so yes, it is satisfied. It is the satisfy the equation. If we see here p minus 3 is equal to 7, if we take here p is equal to 15, then we get the same. 15 minus 3 we get 12. 12 and 7 is not equal. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, we have to start now exercise 11.15. But before starting, I want to discuss, or you can say share about the algebras information. Okay, because it is just a proud feeling for India or us, because let's read it and you feel it also. It is said that the algebra is the branch of mathematics began in 1550 BC. That means more than 35,000 years ago, when people in Egypt started using the symbols denoted the unknown numbers. Okay, so Egyptian peoples are started to learn the unknown numbers before 3,500 years ago, or we can okay. Then around 300 BC, sorry, the use of letters to denote unknown and forming expression for them was quite common in India. Okay, that means in India also mathematical discovery, or we can say the mathematicians are also working on the in the search. Okay, so many great Indian mathematicians. So let's see who are the great mathematician in ancient from our India. So Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Mahavira and Bhaskar II was the great mathematician. So who are they? The great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, born on 476 AD, then Brahmagupta, born on 598 AD, and Mahavira, who lived around 850 AD, that is Bhaskar II, born on 1114 AD. So are the contributed to a lot study of algebra. ये जो चार mathematicians थे उन्होंने बहुत रिसर्च किया algebra के अकॉर्डिंग. So we better know about now what is algebra. So using variables and how we find the equation and how to find the solution. So these things are studied in the past by our four mathematicians: Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Mahavira and Bhaskar II. Okay, they gave the names such as Bija, Varna, the unknowns used for the first letter, color name, Ka from Kala, Ni from Nila, denoted them. The Indian name from algebra is Bijganit. ओके। सो हम अगर किसी चीज को हम जानते नहीं तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे लोकल लैंग्वेज में उसका नाम रखते हैं। ओके, सो सच अ टाइप आवर मैथमेटिक इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन गिव्स द वेरिएबल नेम just like ka for kala and ni for nila. Okay, and also algebra is named in Indian name, it is given name as bij ganit. Okay, dates back to this ancient Indian mathematician. The word algebra is derived from the title of the book Algebra al-Mughaba, written about the 825 by Arab mathematician Muhammad Ibn Ali Khwajarim of Baghdad. बगदाद का जो मैथमेटिशियन था, इसका उसके नाम के वर्ड्स लेकर ये अलजेब्रा नाम दिया गया है। लेकिन अगर हम इंडियन नाम पूछे तो क्या नाम है इंडियन नेम? व्हाट इज द इंडियन नेम ऑफ अलजेब्रा? इट इज बीजगणित। ठीक है, हमें हमारे जो एंशियंट मैथमेटिशियन या फिर साइंटिस्ट हैं, ये आपको एग्जाम में नहीं पूछेंगे, लेकिन इसके बारे में जानकारी जरूर होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज द प्राउड थिंग्स फॉर अस, राइट ना? Fine. So let's start our exercise 11.5. State which of the following are the equations with variable, give reason for your answer and identify the variables from the equation with variables. Fine. So I think I have solved it in my copy. Just 1 second. Yeah, these are the some notes. I think I have given these notes. If not, then you have to write it down. Okay, I think I have forwarded it, but if not, then you have to write it. Okay, start from here. An equation is satisfied only for a definite value of a variable. An equation has an value, an equation has an equal sign. Okay, this is the equal sign between its two sides. The equation says the value of left hand side, that is LH, is called numerical equation. Then C, there is no equal sign. Get it? Solution of equation किसे कहते? So in this value of variables, the value, but it is not a direct. Okay, 11.5. Okay. Okay, see which variable is there. It's a equation. Second, t minus 7, 5. So, okay. Problem is over. We will see. T minus 7 is greater than 5 equation. Okay. Now, is 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 is numerical expression. Then, okay. So, C, D. So, it is numerical expression. You can see now. 4, sorry, right now, and variable x minus 2 equal sign is here, also equation. Then next here, so it is the equation 12 multiplied by 4. Now just see the j. So 7 plus p equal sign equation. 20 is so variable is present, so it is okay. We will see in a book. So here is no plus 12 is greater than. So once again, as here equation 2 3 multiplied by numbers are present here, numerical equation. Okay, it is here, equal sign is here. Okay, so let's complete serial number equation. So 100 is equal to 80? No. By 8 we get here, satisfy the equation. So it is equal to 5. So satisfied? No. So we have to put here as it is 5. 120, 120 and 20. Let's see the next. F, satisfied equation. Then here B, if we take B, then C, the next. Yes, it is satisfied. Next, H,